Chill. Yeah. Rich life. Got all these niggas mad 'cause
I mean, JB, we gotta tell her what the business is. Okay, King, let me get on right quick. It's been a minute since I've been feeling like this. Rich life here, so they feeling like this. I ain't really know we was gonna kill them like this. I'm on one and they see it too. They want it, now they need it true. Shout out to them people who told me I don't believe in you. I just keep it real, bro. I ain't gotta fabricate. Get to the money, you ain't got a choice, you have to hate. About to kill these streets, man, I'm sorry that you had to wait. 16 pulling in more figures than my daddy make. Oh, they say I lost it, are you kidding me? You ain't gotta like me, but your girl is surely feeling me. I just play my card right with all the ones they dealing me, and keep on rapping to the day they finally get rid of me. Talk about the greatest and it's crazy they don't mention me, cause homie, I'm the future, live from the next century. Can't wait for that day when I can finally say I made it. But for all these other haters, all I really gotta say is hold on. Yep.
Cause y'all done got me up in my zone. Got all these niggas mad cause I'm on. And I'm getting money all day long. All day long. I'm sorry, I had to tell them hold on. Cause y'all done got me up in my zone. Got all these niggas mad cause I'm on.
Hey King, let me get on one time.
And I'm getting money all day long.
Let me get on one time.
I had to tell them hold on.
Wait a minute, let me put some easy in it. Rap game getting out of hand, and honestly they need me in it. Look up in the sky, boy, I'm high so you can see me in it. All these niggas hating, homie, please let me breathe a minute. I'm too young for that pressure, but I do it for my team until the day I die. Boy, rich life is what I scream. Boy, don't judge a book by its cover, it ain't always what it seems. Cause I'm flying, riding clean, and I'm only 16. Why you niggas keep on frontin'? Why you niggas keep on hating? Why I gotta go and snap for you to hear just what I'm saying? Can't you see I'm about to make it? I'm on time so you can't take it. JB told me money talks. You can say I'm Ricky Lickin', I don't even wanna do it. Oh well, they say I had to. Get into the money every day, boy, I be glad to. I'm reppin' for my team, so I'm all about my paper. But I got a little message for these haters, gotta tell them
hold on. Cause y'all done got me up in my zone. Got all these niggas mad cause I'm on. And I'm getting money all day long. All day long. I had to tell them hold on. Cause y'all done got me up in my zone. Got all these niggas mad cause I'm on. And I'm getting money all day long. All day long. I had to tell them hold on.